Hello guys, I'm back again. Today I will show you how to insert SIM card inside the MI3. The process is quite different from the normal phones that we see in the market today. Here we have a very neat design. The MI3 phone is pretty decent in looks and has some powerful features to pack on. So I just love this piece. So now back to business. This is the uh, area where you would be inserting the SIM. So take this pin. It comes with the device itself, and you can find it in market. It's also in various mobile shops. So you see actually this is the SIM card slot. So here one hole is there. You have to insert this pin inside this hole softly, and then press lightly. You will hear a click and the jacket will come out. So you take this jacket and place it at a convenient place, and keep the pin also sideways. Actually now you have to insert the SIM inside this jacket. So this mark will actually help you in placing the SIM properly. So once you have placed the SIM properly, it will fit nicely. It's a wonderful design. Now once the SIM has been put into the jacket, you have to insert the jacket back inside the phone. For that, place the phone vertically and try to slide the jacket inside softly, and till that it becomes in line with the mobile body. Okay, now to see that the SIM has inserted properly or not, has been accepted by the phone, you have to just uh, switch on the phone and check whether it has been properly accepted. So the boot animation has started. You will be hearing some nice tone. Actually MI3 phones are as you know, coming from Xiaomi. They are pretty customizable. See, this is what I was talking about. This is the tone that I have set. And talking about the design is pretty neat. It feels like a premium device with these speakers. Okay, so review in another video. Here I will show that the SIM card has been accepted or not. If you see actually to the top left, it's showing actually Airtel Maharashtra. So me being from India, it's an Airtel SIM and it has been accepted. Normally what will happen is actually if you are inside, I had already inserted the SIM, so it has shown it this way. If you are inserting the SIM the first time, it will actually give a pop-up asking you to select the language and then proceed forward. Additionally guys, what you can do is actually now there are a lot of devices that are accepting micro SIM. So I will tell you how to use a micro SIM inside MI3. So for that you have to use a jacket which can be found in the mobile shops, just like this pin. You can take this jacket and just place it inside this slot, so the SIM nicely fits inside this jacket, and now it is of the same size as normal SIM.